Bring up the believe, man.
The man said louder. If you believe we shall live in love and harmony, say yeah, yeah. Somebody put two hands in the air if you love somebody that passed away. You will never forget them as long as you shall live. We need to live in love. We need vice versa love. Somebody put two hands in the air and get ready to welcome on stage from Jamaica, the one and only Barrington Levy.
Who's ready for the legends tonight? I said, who's ready for the legends tonight? We are silent. Barbados, are you ready? Make some noise! Oh! Barrington Levy is in the building. The original bad boy. They top 200 best singers in Rolling Stone magazine. Hold on. Level. We want you to 100% sing. We want you to Black Roses. He wants you to do experience. He's broader than Broadway. So Barbados Reggae. What are ready to bring the blood back? Go! Let's go! Let's go! Yo, we're not good. Barrington, you straight, do that. Barrington! Barrington! Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's go.
Check one. Hey, pull up. Barbados, been a while. Respect. And God bless you all. And remember, we're living in a serious world right now. Just be careful. Because the 2030 agenda is going to be dangerous. Make sure you don't plant to put no food here. Yes. They want to kill we are, so we're not going to make that happen. Them a murderer! Murderer! Sticking again, no. See? Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Tell them already, we have to... Hold on, hey, watch it. No, I don't say we work. Listen, this is Barrington Levy singing. Now, no auto-tune enough. Tell them already, we have to tell them again. Oh, God bless. Thank you, Jaja. I don't end up in a hearse because them a murderer. Barbados say, murderer.
16 as Latin. On a bad man with a trust me stuff. Now, Barbados, you know, as I said, it's been a while. For all my ladies. Whoa! Na 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 na. Whoa! I tried my best, never to stop. Jealousy and problems coming to our lives. We've been together for so long, and we've been through so much. Trying to do right, yeah. Everything I do. If I didn't love you, baby, I'd be let go. Every time I go out, she always accusing me, smelling me and telling me, whose perfume is that? Why don't you trust me? You know I am faithful. I only look at other girls, but babes I don't touch. We've been together for so long, and we've been through so much. Try to do right, yeah, but everything I do seems to go wrong. If I didn't love you, baby, I'd be alone. I need you now, I need you to be strong. Be strong. Yeah. So stay night and day. Oh yeah. Some call it Spanish Town, but it's a Barbados rock. Some call it Spanish Town, but it's a Barbados rock. Yeah! The prisoners are standing while the courtroom are watching. Some try to escape when them hear this music playing. And when they hear what a jacket pressure, move slowly, what a cool and deadly, move lively, what a husband can do. So, some call it Spanish Town, but a Barbados rock. Some call it Spanish Town, but a prison will rock. What a fool and deadly. Call it Spanish Town, rock, rock, rock. Some call it Spanish Town, rock. The prisoners will stand there. We're watching, try to escape when them hear this music playing. God is Spanish Town, but the prison will rock. Babylon, come and tell me. Some are burning 10 faucet and right. And then them come in and them look back at it. Them say, hey, not your dreadlocks. You put up those stickers and say, I said, no, officer, Lord, you must be mad. All the smoke, cigarettes and cigarettes. Oh no! See? Oh no! Ooh, 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 no! I don't need no cocaine to mess up my brain. But I need to do real things. Say what? Don't put no pressure on Barbados. Like seriously, no. Say yes. Barbados in the house. Yes. Sing this. And I'm a sense of me. And I'm a sense of me. And I'm a sense of me, and I'm a sense of you. See? Pull up. Hey, Barbados. They're free of the weed in Barbados yet? They're not freed up yet. If they don't, they're very 2000 and late. Yes, because everywhere else is legalizing it, so why not here? It's the Caribbean, baby. So let's do this. Them don't know, say, Barbados, you have to know that money is the drug, you know. Every country is running down the money. So if you can do that and bring in some revenue into Barbados, let's do this. That's right. Did you hear my?